Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Nancy Rosalam and I'm proud WSB. So I'm gonna show you, Alco please.
Wow.
Okay. So who is the first timer here? You know what guys, way back 2018, of course, those who know me, I went to Atlanta as my first launch, but it's not because to attend the launch, but because to see the biggest aquarium there. But because I have no company with me, I have no choice instead to go with Jeff and Woody. But then you know what? We traveled 19 hours just to go to Atlanta. But there you guys see, this is me that I'm just easy-go-lucky. But you know what? Right after the convention, I'm totally changed. There I understand as being an entrepreneur. So making money in financial education, as a registered nurse here in Toronto, I'm a nurse for 50 years. I used to give health teachings to the patient, right? But then I never realized that I become an entrepreneur and making more money in this organization. So I'm still a full-time job and part-time in here. But look, I never realized as of last year, as being a nurse, I always maintain my income as 100K because I don't want to pay so much taxes. But here I never realized, just a part-time in WSB, I even almost double my income, just 2,000 difference for that. So this is thing that making money in our financial education is not bad, right? So because of this, it even thinks me that it could replace my income. Having said that, it even start to live my dreams. So since I started here in WSB, we never miss any super trips. Of course, with my beloved husband, and there we work together as he's my my prospector, and I'm more on the technicals. But then we join together as the fruit of our labor here in WSB. Having said that, of course, this is the main thing that I see when money is not an issue anymore because we join on share, we protected ourselves. We have also investment, but what is my greatest achievement here is our future. We're able to build our retirement home back home, and even like we have a farm, and because of that, we started to dream and planning to build a farm resort and as well as house in Manila. So I'm so grateful with this organization, and we keep going, guys, and you know, we're gonna be the superstar here after the event. Thank you for listening.